Designing functional 3D prints, here's my 5-point checklist. First, what are the requirements in terms of heat, force, chemical, and UV exposure? We'll have to pick a material that suits those requirements. Generally, PLA is used for prototyping or aesthetic pieces where we have low force and low temperature. PETG is the next step up in terms of strength and also slightly better in terms of temperature. ABS will take you even higher in terms of temperature load, around 100 degrees. And then if we really want to get into high temperature and much stronger parts, then we're looking at nylon, polycarbonate, and ASA. Design. We want to reduce how much, say, support material we use, and we want to make this optimal for 3D printing by having a nice flat first layer. In terms of strength is always making sure that we reduce sharp corners. That'll increase the stress at those points. This is called stress concentration. Luckily, with 3D printing, you can use chamfers and fillets to reduce this stress buildup. Slicing. As we're designing, we should consider this as well. So what orientation are we going to print the part in? How much infill are we going to use? Can we use modifiers to increase the strength of certain sections or reduce the infill at certain sections? We're making this part for 3D printing, so we need to consider slicing as we design. Are we using interlocking parts? This is basically the gap between parts that we use. If we wanted to have a force fit, so where two parts meet and they are stuck together, then we'll use a 0.1 to 0.2 millimeter gap. Or we could have a loose fit if we use a 0.2 to 0.4 millimeter gap. Check these 5 things and you'll be a pro at designing functional 3D prints.
Learn more about 3D printing and business in our free community. Search the 3D Printing Hub on the Skool platform or click the link in the description.